Every time you hand over cash, weigh produce at the grocery store, or check a stopwatch, you are relying on exact measurements. You are constantly dealing with parts of a whole, a fraction of a dollar, or a sliver of a second. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to perform decimal addition and subtraction. We will apply these steps to a real-world financial problem, and you will prove your skills in a final mastery challenge. To follow along, you need to calculate with me. Please have a pencil and a piece of break paper ready. Learning these procedures helps you avoid mistakes when money or measurements are on the line. It provides a reliable way to double-check your calculations in any situation. Look at 24.375. The 24 on the left represents whole numbers. The right represents values smaller than 1. Moving right from the point, the 3 is tenths, 7 is hundredths, and 5 is thousandths. There is one specific rule you must follow for these calculations. You must always line up the decimal points. Calculating side by side makes it difficult to track place values. Instead, write numbers one below the other. Every digit locks into a vertical grid, determined entirely by the decimal point. This vertical alignment ensures you are only adding or subtracting digits that represent the same value. If the points do not match, columns contain mixed place values, leading to an incorrect total. Let's add 12.50 plus 6.25. With points aligned, calculate right to left. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 6 is 8, and 1 carries down. Finally, the decimal slides down, revealing 18.75. Try a second calculation to confirm the pattern. Grab a pencil and set up 6.35 plus 2.40 on your grid paper. Add from right to left, drop the decimal straight down, and you get 8.75. Subtraction follows these exact same rules. Vertical alignment of the decimal point remains the priority. However, errors often occur when two numbers have a different number of decimal digits. To fix this, insert a placeholder 0 at the end of the shorter number. Adding a 0 doesn't change the value. 8.5 is exactly the same as 8.50, but makes subtraction easier. Let's subtract 7.35 from 20.00. The decimals are aligned. We borrow from the whole numbers and subtract right to left. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6, 19 minus 7 is 12. Dropping the decimal straight down gives 12.65. Using zeros fills empty spaces, making subtractions function like basic whole number math. Now let's apply this to a daily transaction. Imagine Ali has a 50 rupee bill and buys a new notebook for 18 rupees and 75 paisa. To find the change, we translate that scenario into a vertical equation. We take the starting amount, 50.00, and subtract the cost, 18.75. We begin our subtraction starting carefully from right to left. Because the decimal points are aligned, we can borrow across columns with precise accuracy. The result is 31.25. Ali has exactly 31 rupees and 25 paisa remaining. Translating word problems into structured equations lets you manage financial transactions with complete certainty without ever needing a calculator. It is now time to verify your progress. I am going to give you 3 problems to solve on your own. On your screen are 3 equations: 12.50 plus 4.25, 25.75 minus 10.50, and 6.35 plus 2.40. Pause the video now. Use your grid paper to line up the points and calculate the answers. Only resume once you have finished all 3. Let's check your work. The first answer is 16.75. The second is 15.25. And the third is 8.75. Excellent work. You have shown that consistent alignment leads to accurate results every time. Keep practicing these steps, and I will see you in the next lesson.